At the lower house, Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala named 6 congressmen who channeled funds to the KMFI, an NGO linked to Napoles. Alcala made the disclosure at the House Committee hearing on the proposed budget for the Department of Agriculture. More from Freddy Abando.
Janet Napoles was a hot issue by ACT Party List Congressman Antonio Tino before the budget hearings of the Department of Agriculture. Tino grilled Secretary Proceso Alcala asking the exact amount allocated for Kaupdenan, an NGO registered by Napoles with the department to handle projects funded by the Priority Development Fund of lawmakers. Kaupdenan bagged 83.2 million pesos, 38.25 million was released. The remaining 44 million pesos is still intact with the Department of Agriculture. Alcala stressed the funds were released in tranches. No liquidation stopped the flow of funds. It was a must to account for every peso released to Kaupdenan.
He reported after your admission that 44 million of public funds went to an apparently questionable Napoles NGO. He reported as saying that my conscience is clear. Una po, Mr. Chairman, at this point in time, we are not yet through with the investigation. So I cannot tell anyone here that this NGO was one. So, mabuti pong maliwanag. So ngayon, yung responsibilidad po, hindi naman tayo tumatakbo dun sa responsibilidad. And that's the reason kung bakit up to this time, mayroon po kaming isinaayos. At sana po makita rin nyo na yung pong effort ng department itself na not letting FIDA pass the Department of Agriculture for the past 25 months since na kami makilagay, makita rin natin. Kasi para po bang at this point in time, may kasalanan na po ba kami dito, Mr. Chairman? Huwag po sanang gano'n.
Alcala was pressed by Tino to reveal the sources with projects implemented by the NGO of Napoles. He named 6 to include the chairman of the Appropriations Committee, Congressman Isidro Uñab, Congressman Lañete, Congressman Montero, and Arnulfo Fuentebella Jr. Alcala said based on their validation, the projects of Uñab were implemented. Uñab said a commission on audit report will confirm the DA report.
My name was mentioned earlier. Under your supervision is the entire Department of Agriculture. I would just like to ask a question. Yung projects ko ba implemented or ghost project? Alam niyo yung sagot.
Actually po, isa sa pinakauna po kasi yung nabanggit ng pangalan ninyo. So, isa po rin sa pinakauna na aming pinabalidate. At makakaasa po kayo na talaga pong fully implemented po ito. Hindi lang po basta under oath yung ibang mga testigo at saka po yung nabalidate. Kundi may mga pictures po kompleto siya. So, yung po sa inyong parte na dumaan sa inyo ay fully liquidated po yun.
Thank you. And as I have said, I'm open to an investigation. The auditors can go there anytime. Maraming salamat po.
In the meantime, Alcala said stringent measures were adopted to safeguard the implementation of PDOT projects. NGOs are pre-accredited. Release of funds are done in 4 tranches. Alcala said the inquiry of Napoles and the activities of her NGO will be released next week. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.